Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 39. Hope you all are fine and safe. So in the last class we have completed the chapter designing a web page, our 8th chapter. There we have studied how to design a web page by using the code HTML, and in HTML we have studied about HTML tags, how to write the HTML tags in angular brackets. We have studied about HTML elements. We have studied about attributes, how to give attributes, which is an extra arrangement to in the tags, and the attributes must be included inside the opening tag only. That also we have studied, and we have we understood how to write the program in HTML. We have designed the web page by writing the HTML code. We studied how to write the heading by using h1, h2, h3 tags, and we have studied how to include the image, how to include video, how to add scrolling text, how to, and also what we have studied how to give hyperlink. And the main thing, one more thing also we have studied, that is how to categorize the items into table. Okay, so I hope you understood these all things. So you must watch the video, and those who are having computers must try out these activities. So today we will be moving to the next chapter. Chapter name is video editing. You all are familiarized about video editing. It is very interesting, that is editing the videos and all. Many apps are available. Mostly all of us are known about the this software name in short for editing the video. So today we will be studying another software which help us for editing the videos. Okay. So what is this video editing? If you prepare video documentation of the important programs in your school, it will be an effective method to evaluate and publish them. Which programs can be documented in this manner? Okay, we are editing the video. So if we are creating a video documentations, we can include the programs like school professionals from sports meet, Independence Day programs. These all can be included in a video documentation. So when we are creating, that means we are combining different videos, and we are making it as a single video. And if inside the video, if we want to do some editing process, that is also is possible. What should be done to the video clips that you have saved in the computer to combine them to make a video documentary? We must arrange the videos, we must remove the unwanted parts, we must give the audios, background music, what all are the unnecessary things that we have to delete. So in the previous classes you have studied the process of editing a text or image or sound in your previous class. Recall the process of editing. In a similar way, let's see how you can prepare a video documentary by using OpenShot video editor. In Ubuntu, we are studying about the software name OpenShot video editor for editing the videos. So what is this video editing? Here you can see the details of video editing. It is the process of arrangement of videos in a suitable manner and editing and removing unnecessary parts from a video. Video editing means what? Arranging the video in a suitable manner and removing the unwanted things. It also includes the process of adding dialogues, background music, special effects, title, etc., and organize them as for a presentation. Okay. So we all studied about the presentation software like LibreOffice, Impress, and all. There also we are presenting the contents, videos, and audios in slides. So in video editing softwares, we are presenting the video by removing unwanted things and by adding some background music, title, and all. Okay. So this is about the video editing. Now there are various software which help in the process of video editing. Different types of softwares which help for us for the video editing, which are available in GNU Linux, are OpenShot video editor, Kdenlive, Kino, Pitvi video editor are some of the video editing softwares available in GNU Linux. So here we are studying about the software name OpenShot video editor. Okay. So how we can open that software? We can open OpenShot video editor software like application, sound and video, OpenShot video editor. So this is our video editing software. So first we will be studying about the software. So before familiarizing about the software, for editing the video we need some videos, pictures, background music, like that. So first of all itself we have to include all that. We have to store it in a folder. So here in the school resource folder, here in school resource folder standard 9, I have created one folder. Normally this it will be in the school resource folder, but when unfortunately when I searched it was not there, so I have created my own folder like video documentation folder, and inside the video documentation I have included some videos, some background music, some narration, like that I have included. So we will be doing video editing by using these files. Okay, so first itself we have to include these all files. What are the required files for video editing? That files must be included inside a folder. So here I have included inside the video documentation folder. After that we have to open the software OpenShot video editor. So here this is the software. Here you can see the video preview. What all videos we are taking, that preview can be shown here. This is the timeline. In this timeline we will be including the videos, audios, background. Here we will be doing the editing process. That means we can name it as each track. So inside each track we will be including the videos and audios, and we will do the editing process. Okay, so their preview can be shown here. Okay, so in the textbook you can see the OpenShot video editor. Here you can see the editor window. This is the preview window. Here is the tracks available, and you can see here this is the playback head. Okay, this is a scale playback head. Here we can move here and there, and we can place it in the appropriate position. And also this is the if you want to add more track, we can add click on the plus button. This is the snapping tool. This is the razor tool for cutting, and this is for adding the marker. Okay, and here you can see some another options, like for creating the new project, this is the option. For opening the project, for saving the file, this is undo and redo. This is for importing files. This is the choosing profiles. Different types of profiles are available for this software. So this OpenShot video editor, one of the profile is this untitled project HD 720p 30 fps, but normally we will be using the version HDV 720 24 pixels 24p we will be using. So we will be changing it to that version. And this is the file menu, this is the edit menu, title, view, help. Okay, so now we will be more it will be more familiarized when we are doing the activities. So the first activity is of familiarizing the OpenShot. So this much is the OpenShot video editor. Here we will be adding videos, and we will be doing the editing purpose. That preview can be shown here. Okay, so here what I already told, we need to change the profile. While selecting, we need to change a project profile. In the textbook it is shown here. While selecting video profile, it is better to arrange project profile in a suitable manner before starting video editing. New video profile can be chosen either by file, choose profile in OpenShot, or by clicking the icon choose profile. It is desirable to choose the profile HDV 720p 24p will be 720 24p will be set as the default in OpenShot video editor. Okay, so here I am going to choose that. It is not showing here now, it is showing 720p 30 fps. So I am going to change that. Either you can change it by clicking on the icon choose profile, or from the file menu you will be getting the option choose profile. Here when you click here, you will be getting different versions options. So from here I am going to choose HDV 720 24p, that is the version HDV 720 24p 1280 into 720. So I have opted this option. So you can see here the version. After that I am going to import the files that is required for video editing. So I can import the files, like from file menu you will be getting the options import files, and from the import files from the user school resources you will be getting the standard 9, and the standard 9, just a second, in standard, in the, let me check, let me take it once more. School resources, standard 9, video documentation, and here you can see the videos and the background. So I am taking it as control A. I am copying all the things, so I just click on the control A and click on open. So you can see the all the files that is included here in the under the project file window. So we are taking each file for doing the video editing purpose. Okay, so the next is an activity which we are going to do is activity 9.2. Let's start a video project. So here I am going to start the video project. For I already imported the videos. How I have imported from the file menu, import files, like that I have imported the files. These all are the some of the files that I have included, and by using these files I will be doing the video editing. And next one is if you want, these are the tracks available. 5 tracks are available over here, from track 1 to track 5. So if you want to add more tracks, you can click on the this plus button. Okay, when you click on the plus button, you can add new tracks. Okay, so and in the page number 125 you can see the activity 9.2. let's start a video project. For that, import required video and audio files to the project by using plus button from the toolbar. Either you can click on this plus button for importing the files, or you can I already done now from the file, import files, like that also you can import the videos. These there you can see the videos, audios and image tabs. So we have to select all the files. After that, video transition, video audio effects are arranged in transition effects tab effectively. This is the transitions. Transitions means if you are moving from one video to another video, if you want to give any of the transition, that means if you want to give any of the, what you can see, this it is a form of effect. Okay, that is known as a transition. That is also available here, that we will be studying in the upcoming classes. And the effects tab also available, different types of effects also available if you want to add it in the video. This transition is also kind of effect, so we will be giving the transitions if you are moving from one video to another video. That means you are clubbing more than one video and we are making it as a single video, so the transitions also can be done. Okay, so now we have included all the things. After that, we can save the file. From the file menu you can save the project, like this, save project. And here I am going to type OSP is the extension. I am sample project I am typing, and I am saving it in the students works 10, sorry, students works 9. Here I am saving it. So now it got saved, and you can see here the file name changed to the same sample project, and we can see it here in the home folder, students works 9. You can see that sample, yes, sample project.osp. this is the project I have created now. So I hope you understood this. And also, if you want to add, next activity we will be doing is adding the files to the corresponding timeline. Okay, adding the files to the corresponding timeline we will be doing. So that we will be discussing in the next class. So before discussing about that, just I will be showing how to add the files. So just we can, if I wanted to add the file symphony, just click and drag and place it over here. Okay, so that file got placed here. If you want to remove that, that means if you want to place that symphony file in the track 1, you can just remove, right click over here, remove clip, so that the file got removed. And now it is track 1. If you want to make the tracks more available, if you want to see it as more tracks, like that. Also just to, you can see some dots, and just to drag it upwards so you can see more tracks. So this is the file. I am placing this file in the track 1. As the file size of this symphony is very large, I am reducing that file size. No, I don't want this much this file length file I don't want, so I am reducing. How we can reduce? So before reducing, you have to study about the playback head. This is the playback head. We can move the playback head forward and backward. So just I will be placing this playback head here. Suppose I need only this much. I need only this much file size. The length of the file must be yeah, this much only I need. Remaining portions I don't want. So what I have to do is just place the playback head over here. Just drag this portion. So in the end of the you can see an arrow, this button, double arrow button. Just drag it like this. How much we need the length, that much we have to drag like this. Again drag. So we didn't reach our playback head, so till that you have to drag, so that the length of the file will be reduced like that. Yeah, this much only I need the file. So this is the one file which I have included in the track 1. So this is the symphony track. I can play the symphony track like this. When you click on the play button, you can hear that. So for that we have to place the playback head to this first position. After that only we need to play. Just drag this one here and keep it over here. Okay, then play. So I hope you can hear the sound. This is the previous key point, that means the first key point. This is the end portion. Okay, if you want to move the playback suddenly to the first portion, just to click on this option, previous key point. So we'll be going from here. If you want to move it to the end portion, just to click here. So the playback head will be moving to the that end portion. Once more I will be playing this. Okay, we can pause it over here. So in this way we have added the one file in one track. In the same way I will be adding another files also, and I will be discussing about another features, so that we will be discussing in the next class. Okay, so today we have just discussed about the OpenShot video editor. What is the software, about this OpenShot video editor, how to open OpenShot video editor. We can open it like application, sound and video, OpenShot video editor, and we have just familiarized about that video editor. We have discussed about that video, this video preview portion, then timeline portion where you can see the tracks, and here you can see the project files. For including the project files, we have discussed about different options, different menus. So I hope you understood these all things, and we have added the files and the videos which is required for us to do the video editing. Okay, so again we have to save this file project. We have to here. Just you have to save the project. Already the project got saved. What all things we are doing, it will be saved there automatically. If you want to change the file name, just click on the save project as, and you can change the file name over here. So I hope you understood these all things. So today's session we will be discussing this much. So see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.